Hey, Rhonda Rosiand here, CPA and Advanced Certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor with New Business Directions, where we create order out of chaos every single day. Today I have a short video for you on using the fixed asset item list feature in QuickBooks Desktop, Pro, Premier, and Enterprise Solutions, the desktop versions of QuickBooks. It is in all of them, and we are in an Intuit QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions accountant version right now in a sample company file. To get to the fixed asset item list, you click on lists and you go down to fixed asset item list. This is where you would track things that you have purchased for your business, such as machinery and equipment, vehicles, large pieces of furniture. I always use a cutoff dollar amount of about $2,500. If it's over $2,500, I'm going to add it to the fixed asset item list. I am going to capitalize that asset, which means that I will depreciate it instead of expensing it all in 1 year. It's something that's going to last me longer than a year, and I would like to depreciate it instead of expense it. This tool does not post to the general ledger. It's simply a tool for tracking information about your purchases of assets. You can add a new one by either right-clicking and clicking new, or going down to item and up to new, or using the Control N to get to the window where you would track this information. In here, you would describe the asset. You could say that it was a 2025 GMC Denali, and you would map it to the asset account in your chart of accounts called automobiles and trucks. And in your purchase description, you would again put 2025 GMC Denali, and you could put that you purchased it on December 31st, 2025, and that you paid, I don't know, $75,000, and that you bought it from GMC dealer. And then you could give it more of a description and say that it's a white GMC truck. And you could put in the serial number, the warranty information, and whatever other information you want to track. When you sell it, if you sell it, you can check mark the box that says item is sold, put in the description, the date you sold it, how much you sold it for, and what the expenses of the sale were. You can continue to add your assets here. It will spell check you. It's not denial, it's Denali. And it is GMC. So now I've got this on my list, and if I wanted to, I could grab a report for my accountant, a fixed asset item list showing all the things that I purchased and when I purchased them by date and the amount of money I spent. Again, this is not a posting transaction. It's just a place to track information like serial numbers, warranty information, and assets that you've purchased. Now, if you have the accountant version of QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions, or even Premier, you can use another tool, and that's called the Fixed Asset Manager. And that is under the Accountant menu because it's only for accountants. And this is where you would go down to the Manage Fixed Assets, and that would walk you through a bunch of steps. So I'd love to hear from you. If you watch this video and you'd like to see more about the Fixed Asset Manager, you're an accountant and you want to know how it works in here, because it will calculate up to, I think, 6 different bases of depreciation. It's pretty phenomenal. I don't know what you're all using for Fixed Asset Manager depreciation schedule software, but it's built right into the accountant version of QuickBooks. Again, if you need help managing your accounting system or translating your numbers for better decision making, please start with our website at newbusinessdirections.com, where you'll find contact links on our About Us page or on the Contact Us page. There's an email address there. There's an intake form if you're so inclined. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get our newsletter on the website if you need help organizing your chaos or streamlining the process or figuring out what's next for your business. Send us an email. It's okay. We can help.